Welcome to qnawire.
So consider the mass of this box as 8.0 kilogram, okay? And theta is 33 degrees. And then our coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.3. And you're looking at a force of 26 newtons. So therefore, we can determine the net force. Let's say F net here is looking at F minus coefficient of friction, mg cosine of theta plus mg sine of theta. So we're looking at 26 minus 0.3 multiplied by 8, 9.8 cosine of 33 plus 8, 9.8 sine of 33. So we expect 48.97 newtons. Okay, so therefore we know that MA will be equal to 48.97 newtons, right? That is it. And so given that, of course, acceleration will be equal to 48.97 divided by 8. Okay, you have 6.12 meters per second square. That is acceleration. Now from equation of v equals to u plus a t, expect that v should be equal to 0 plus 6.12 multiply by time, and we're looking at 2 seconds, so that should be equal to 12.24 meters per second, and that is therefore your answer.